UNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uBheki Cele uthi kungenzeka enze isiphakamiso sokuthi ezinye izindawo ziphindiselwe esigabeni sesihlanu seLockdown eKomidini loNgqongqoshe elibhekele ukulwa neCovid-19. UCele ubevakashele izinxanxathela zezitolo kanye namalokishi aseMgungundlovu esifundazweni iKwaZulu-Natal nalapho bakhalwe ngokungalandelwa khona kwemigomo.
Iningi labahlali bawadambuza baphindiswe emakhaya ngenxa yokungaqoki izimfonyo. eMgungundlovu nje kuphela sekuboshwe abangaphezulu kwenkulungwane ngenxa yokuphula imigwemo yeLockdown. Isibalo sabantu abanegciwane eKwaZulu-Natal sibeka lesi sifundazwe isithathu kuzwelonke. Amaphoyisa athi ungahlonishwa kwemigomo kuyakhathaza.
Looks like there is more breaking of the law under 4. So discussions then might be take that one on board, but you remember that it has been decided that there are places that can be 4, others can be 5. At the present moment, we are all 4, but we can recommend it to say that place needs 5, that can move to 3 and all.
UCele uthi lockdown isifundisa amaphoyisa likhulu mayelana nokulwa nobugebengu.
One thing that we have learned very well is that policing is not the office work. Policing is to be out there because the visibility has really contributed a lot to the reduction of crime.
UCele uphinde waxwayisa labo abagaya baphinde badayise utshwala ngokungemthetho emakhaya. Bongani Gema, Indaba enze SABC eMgungundlovu.